Finland, often referred to as the Land of a Thousand Lakes, is a country in northern Europe that consistently ranks among the happiest and most peaceful nations in the world. Known for its stunning natural beauty, rich culture, and high standard of living, Finland has also gained a reputation for its people, particularly its women, who are often described as being exceptionally beautiful. However, to reduce Finland's allure to just its beautiful women and pristine landscapes would be to overlook the depth of its cultural, social, and environmental significance. This video explores life in Finland, highlighting its unique combination of natural splendor, societal values, and the characteristics that make it one of the most desirable places to live. A land of pristine nature, one of Finland's most remarkable features is its unspoiled natural environment. The country is a paradise for nature lovers, offering vast forests, crystal-clear lakes, and a pristine Arctic wilderness. Approximately 75% of Finland is covered in forests, making it one of the most forested countries in Europe. The Finnish landscape is dotted with over 188,000 lakes, which are often surrounded by dense forests and quaint cottages, offering breathtaking scenery that changes dramatically with the seasons. In the summer, the midnight sun bathes the northern regions in nearly 24 hours of daylight, creating an ethereal atmosphere where time seems to stand still. This is the time when Finns flock to their summer cottages, known as maki, to relax, swim in the lakes, and enjoy the tranquility of nature. These cottages are often rustic and lack modern amenities, reflecting the Finnish value of simplicity and their deep connection with the natural world. Winter in Finland, on the other hand, is a season of stark beauty. The country transforms into a winter wonderland, with snow-covered forests, frozen lakes, and the magical northern lights illuminating the Arctic skies. Lapland, in the far north, is particularly famous for its winter activities, such as dog sledding, reindeer safaris, and ice fishing. The snow and ice also provide the perfect conditions for the traditional Finnish sport of cross-country skiing, which is not only a popular pastime but also a practical mode of transportation in rural areas during the winter months. The Finnish way of life, Finnish culture, is deeply rooted in the concept of sisu, a unique term that embodies resilience, determination, and a never-give-up attitude. This national characteristic is reflected in the Finnish way of life, where people value honesty, hard work, and modesty. Finns are known for their quiet demeanor and reserved nature, but they are also warm, welcoming, and have a strong sense of community. Education is a cornerstone of Finnish society, with the country boasting one of the best education systems in the world. Finnish schools emphasize equal opportunities, student well-being, and fostering creativity, which has resulted in high academic achievement and a well-educated population. This focus on education extends to lifelong learning, with many Finns engaging in adult education and continuous professional development. Another key aspect of Finnish life is the sauna, an integral part of the culture and a quintessential Finnish experience. There are over 2 million saunas in Finland, almost one for every household. For Finns, the sauna is not just a place to relax and unwind. It is a sacred space for mental and physical cleansing, socializing, and even conducting business meetings. The traditional sauna experience often involves alternating between the intense heat of the sauna and a refreshing dip in a cold lake or rolling in the snow, which is believed to have numerous health benefits. Beautiful women and gender equality. Finland is often associated with the notion of beautiful women, a stereotype that has been popularized in part by media and international beauty pageants. While Finnish women are indeed known for their natural beauty, characterized by fair skin, blonde hair, and striking blue eyes, it is important to recognize that this is only one aspect of their identity. Finnish women are also known for their strength, independence, and intelligence, qualities that are deeply rooted in the country's progressive approach to gender equality. Finland was one of the first countries in the world to grant women the right to vote and to run for public office, back in 1906. Today, Finnish women are highly represented in all areas of society, including politics, business, and academia. The country has one of the highest rates of female participation in the workforce, and gender equality is enshrined in the Finnish constitution. This commitment to equality extends to family life as well, with generous parental leave policies and a strong emphasis on shared parenting responsibilities. The Finnish approach to beauty is also characterized by a preference for naturalness and authenticity. Finnish women tend to embrace a minimalist approach to fashion and makeup, favoring practicality and comfort over trends. This understated style reflects the broader Finnish cultural values of modesty and functionality. A high standard of living, Finland consistently ranks at the top of global quality of life indices, thanks to its high standard of living, excellent public services, and strong social safety nets. Healthcare in Finland is universal and publicly funded, ensuring that all citizens have access to high-quality medical care. The country also has one of the lowest crime rates in the world, contributing to a strong sense of safety and security. The Finnish welfare state is designed to support individuals at all stages of life, from free education and childcare to unemployment benefits and pensions. This system is underpinned by a high level of social trust and a belief in collective responsibility. As a result, Finland has one of the lowest levels of income inequality in the world, and poverty rates are among the lowest in Europe. In terms of work-life balance, Finland excels in providing its citizens with the time and resources to pursue both career and personal interests. The average workweek is shorter than in many other countries, and employees enjoy a high degree of flexibility in terms of working hours and remote work opportunities. This balance allows Finns to spend more time with their families, engage in outdoor activities, and participate in cultural events. Embracing innovation and sustainability despite its strong connection to tradition and nature, Finland is also a leader in innovation and sustainability. The country is home to a thriving tech industry, with companies like Nokia and Rovio, the creator of Angry Birds, putting Finland on the map as a hub for innovation. Finnish cities are smart and sustainable, with Helsinki leading the way in renewable energy usage, public transportation, and green urban planning. Sustainability is a core value in Finland, where environmental conservation is taken seriously. The country is committed to reducing its carbon footprint and has set ambitious goals to become carbon neutral by 2035. Recycling and waste management are highly efficient, and there is a strong emphasis on preserving natural habitats and biodiversity. Life in Finland is a harmonious blend of natural beauty, cultural richness, and modern innovation. The country's pristine landscapes, combined with a strong social welfare system, progressive values, and a deep respect for nature, make it an ideal place to live. While the beauty of Finnish women is often highlighted, it is the overall quality of life, the sense of community, and the unwavering commitment to equality and sustainability that truly define Finland. Whether you are drawn to its serene lakes and forests, its vibrant cities, or its progressive society, Finland offers a unique and fulfilling way of life that is hard to match.